In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Photobox discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go on your web browser and search up Photobox discount code. So once you have done that, you're gonna go over to this website Daily Mail and you're gonna click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many promo codes. So the first one is save 50% on orders by adding this code. So you can click on it, and this code is gonna give you a 50% off on a few items. Then you can also see many other codes. For example, you get 60% off calendars by using this code. So you can click on it. And this code CAL60 is gonna give you a 60% off whenever you purchase a calendar from this website. And then you can also see many other promo codes. For example, use this code and save 30% on your orders. So save 30 is another very good promo code. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. You can scroll down until you see this website coupon follow and you're gonna click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many promo codes as well. So the first one is save 50% off with this coupon code. You can click on it. So save 50 is the coupon code, so all you have to do is click copy, which is gonna copy save 50, and then you can click continue to Photobox, which is gonna take you to their website. Once you're on their website, you have to choose your products. So let's say calendars. Then you'll have to go to the checkout menu where you're gonna enter your information, and you'll have to use this code there at checkout to get a 50% off. So you can also see many, for example, 30% off your purchase. Save 30 is the code. So yeah. So alright guys, I'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.